Okay, so welcome back, and now we're going to do another example. In this example, we're going to talk about change in profit. So it says a toy company can sell X electronic gaming systems at a price of P equal to negative 0.01x plus $400 per gaming system. So that's the function of X, where X is the number of gaming systems sold, and based on the number of gaming systems sold, that function represents the price of each gaming system. The cost of manufacturing X systems is given by C of X equal to 100 times X plus $10,000. Okay, so we have a profit function and we have a cost function. Or price function, I'm sorry. We have a price, we have a price function and a cost function. Now it says, find the rate of change of profit when 10,000 games are produced. Should the toy company increase or decrease production? Okay, so they're producing 10,000 systems. So X equals 10,000. And we want to know what profit is. Now, there's the cost of making them and then the price you're selling them at, right? So when you sell them, this is going to be your revenue, right? And so assuming that we sell the 10,000 games, so this is the price, this is how many systems we sold, right? Price per system. This is the number of systems that we sold. We can come up with a revenue function of X times P, right? So if we just here, so it's going to be X times P of X, or P, okay, which is then going to equal negative 0.01 x squared plus 400 x dollars. Okay? So now, then profit, now what's profit? Capital P, okay? Profit is the difference between how much it costs you to manufacture the items versus how much money you brought in. So it's going to be revenue minus cost. Okay, so that's going to be negative 0.01 x squared plus 400x minus the cost function, so it'll be minus 100x plus 10,000. Okay, and so this is going to give us what? Negative 0.01 x squared plus 300x minus 10,000. And so that is going to be our profit function. So now if I want instantaneous change in profit, then what I'm looking at is P prime of X. Okay? And that's where the limit is going to come in. So I'm going to do limit of what? As X approaches what? 10,000. Of what? It's going to be P of X minus, oops, not F, P of 10,000 over X minus 10,000. Okay. So now, let me erase this, now that we have all this done. So you keep writing. So now this is going to equal the limit as x approaches 10,000 of what? Now this is going to be P of x, which we already have as negative 0.01 x squared plus 300x minus 10,000. And then P of 10,000, okay? Now again, if you calculate P of 10,000, you're going to get 1.99 million. So it's going to be 1,990,000. Okay? And so what we end up with, oh, this is of course x minus 10,000. And so then the limit as x approaches 10,000, now this is going to end up being negative 0.01 x squared plus 300x minus 2 million. Right? And then this is going to equal the limit as x approaches 10,000. Let's factor out the negative 0.01. This is going to equal x squared minus 30,000x plus oops. Is that right? Let me see, 2 million. And now this should factor out, just like the other one. So you should get and again, some of these are not as easy to do. So this would be negative 0.01. And this is going to be x minus 10,000 times, now since we know we should get x minus 10,000, let's see if this works. It should work. Oops, so x minus 10,000, so oh yeah, this should be x minus 20,000. Yeah, that'll work. Right, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, that works. So this factors into this. And so this cancels with this. And we get the limit as x approaches 10,000 is negative 0.01 times x minus 20,000. And now, since this is continuous everywhere, we can just evaluate it by just plugging in 10,000. So 10,000 minus 20,000 is negative 20,000, or excuse me, negative 10,000. Times negative 0.01 is going to be $100. So the limit is a profit of 100. Now, since the rate of change of profit is greater than 0, right? So this is greater than 0. So the rate of change, remember, don't forget what this means. This is the rate of change in profit. It's not the amount of profit that they're getting. It's the rate of change in the amount of profit per item, per system. So since this is positive, it's in an upward direction. So it's changing in the positive direction, which means they should increase the price of these. Okay, and by the way, P of 10,000, which was right here, P of 10,000 is also positive. Since the profit is positive and the rate of change is positive, then that would indicate that the company should increase production. Okay, meaning they should make more of these because they're still on the upward swing. Okay, that's it. Have a great day.